Hi, this is Solution. Today, bash scripting another part video. It is DevOps tutorials bash scripting part 3 and number. You can see my channel. I have many video. Let's go. First of all, we are how to create the multiple user. Let's go. Just we are already created this syntax because I have to need to reduce my video length. And that's why we have create for low users. This is syntax. Here is the input. Here is the all user input. In I for input. Here is the, let's go. Just where permission here sys mode permission is done. Now we are for low user list. Here is a user insert. We are create a ddd bddd cddd, just username. You can use username. I have just trial purpose, so you are just where run this script for low users. This we are create this user already created, that's why I have not run, and that's where three user created here. Cat, it is a pass w d cat, it is a pass wd. Here is all user created. You can see I think has a need to permission. Let's go. Now have negative value and positive value count here. Now we are already my scripting. Here is the scripting. Enter is 0 is the negative, then positive. Here is the negative. This is my syntax. You can write this syntax. Let's go and save and permission. The permission is done. Now is my scripting. 2 is a positive, minus 2 is negative. Here is 24 is positive, minus 26 is negative. This is two scripting today. We are finished this video because next another video, another scripting. Thanks for watching.